Hey guys, it's Justin and Tyler here with Rangeland RV TV. And weighing in at 3,400 pounds and 22 feet long, introducing
the 2020 10th Anniversary Edition RPod 195. Now this is a brand new floor plan by RPod that offers you a great rear kitchen and island queen bed at the front that we'll see when we go inside. Give you a little bit about the construction features of the RPod. You have R7 walls, R9 in your floors and your roof. You have welded aluminum sidewalls right here with a fully laminated outside. They switched to an Asdel product on the inside here as opposed to the Luan that is a fiberglass composite that keeps it lighter and a lot more durable against, delamination and stuff like that. You have a wood truss roof just because of that unique curvature of the RPod, and it's a one-piece fiberglass and it's seamless, so there's no seams for moisture or anything to get in. Coming along here, these new RPods all come with this new little exterior kitchen. So you got your burners right here, little sink, and you also get the spray port on the sides there to rinse off, your pots, dogs, anything kind of like that. You can also remove this guy if you want to get that added storage space in the front there. Coming along here, this guy comes equipped with power tongue jack on the front right here, so easy to detach from your vehicle. And you got the diamond plate down here to protect that fiberglass from any road debris. Space back here for two 6-volt batteries or just the one 12-volt battery. These RPods also, you have scissor jacks in all four corners of it. So a lot of the ones in the industry, you see the one-arm ones, or some of them only have two. RPod, you got 4 scissor jacks, one on each corner to make it nice and stable when you're on the inside here. Coming along here, RPod is one of the industry leading with a 36-gallon fresh water tank. So in a lightweight travel trailer, that is a ton of fresh water in there for you. So fill it up with there, or if you're at your campsite, you just click it right in there and then it'll pressurize all your lines for you. Coming back through here, we bring all of our RPods in with the Hood River Edition. So what that is, you got a 4-inch axle riser on there and you got the extreme 15-inch off-road tires. So you can take it, on going off-grid, off-road, you get that added clearance. You don't have to worry about bottoming out. Also, you have a torsion axle system. So what that provides you is independent suspension. So it's not as bouncy like as leaf springs or typically in trailers. Back here, if you have a site that offers you cable satellite, you connect it right to there. It'll direct feed it right to the inside. And your shore power for 30 amp hookup, connect it right through there, and nice and easy detachable one as well. Cool new feature with the RPod, the only one that has, you have a ladder on the back. So what that is, easy access up there for checking your seals, maintenance, anything kind of like that. Easy access on top. There's the first RPod to have that on the back. You got a full spare tire that comes with this guy as well too. So you can pop it off and put a bike attachment back there, or you can leave it on here and there's a jacket attachment that goes underneath the tongue jack in the front that's coming really popular. So you don't have to worry about storing this in different spots. This is for if you ever need a service behind your fridge right through here. And this, you got a 6-gallon quick recovery hot water tank in this guy. So it produces 16.2 gallons recovery rate per hour. So it gives you ample hot water if you got, a few people in there, or if you want to have multiple showers kind of in a row. Lots of hot water in there. Coming along the front, another cool new feature on this guy is big power awning with your LED strip right here. So it gets setting up your campsite nice and easy. And then you got your exterior speakers right here with Bluetooth on the inside, so you don't got to go inside to be switching anything over or anything like that. And also, you got a black tank flush here, so after you dump out your black tank, connect a hose there, jet inside your black tank, just rinses it all out, makes it so it's nice and clean, gets rid of unwanted clinging things. Friction hinge door on this guy too, which is a nice feature, so you don't have to worry about spilling your margarita when you're coming out of there if a windstorm comes up, which could be predicted today, so it would have been a good feature to show you. Why don't we come on inside here and we'll show you some of the cool new features of the interior.
Hey guys, come on inside the new 195. So first thing you're gonna notice when you're walking in the door here, nicely placed coat hangers. It's a little detail, but it really goes a long way. On your other side here, One of the new features that they're just going to put into these 195s and nothing else, which makes it really cool, is you actually have a full 6 cubic foot gas electric fridge. So this is a separated fridge and freezer, and right below you, you got a nice little dog dish here because this is a nice pet friendly coach. Come on inside here and I'll show you a little bit more detail into the kitchen. So up above the top, you're going to have all this nice overhead cabinetry, and this is all residential style finishing. So like you can see, hidden hinge, it's all gas strut assisted, so you know it's real quality stuff. Nice countertop space here, and like you can see, everything is under mounted. So your stovetop here, nice glass cover over top of it, but sunken into the countertop, just like your sink here, to give you as much counter space as possible. Now in your R-Pods, what you have is actually a lot more storage than normal, because like you can see, there's no oven in here. So what we give you instead is a nice convection microwave, and with that you're going to gain all this extra drawer storage here and cabinet storage underneath the sink instead of having an oven there. But I think one of the biggest features on this coach is definitely the new walk-in pantry. So like you can see, all adjustable shelving in here. Very easy to kind of make it your own type of storage there. And of course this sits in the big full wall slide out here with your U-shaped dinette, and yet again more storage up above this slide out here. Coming into the front of the coach here, you're going to have 2 backlit hanging wardrobes on either side of the bed, which is just really cool. It gives it that nice modern look. And then of course the brand new walk around queen size bed. This is amazing. This is the first time R-Pods ever implemented something like this, and it really just stands out throughout all of their other floor plans. And then in behind me here, this is going to be your full bathroom. So what I mean by full is true 3-piece bathroom. You have a full stand-up shower in here. You have a sink. You have a toilet. You're going to have a medicine cabinet. Up in the top there, you also have a fantastic fan. So that moves 900 cubic feet a minute of air. That's enough to really cool down this coach if you need to. And of course, when it comes to cooling down the coach, you even got an air conditioner. So that pretty much wraps out our 195 here. Thanks for watching, and feel free to come down to Rangeland RV. Happy camping.